This little package just came in today. So let's see what we got here. Okay. These are the adapters for my exhaust. I'm going to have the muffler shop fabricate the tailpipes and put on my chrome tips. But I need these adapters to make it work real quick. Let's see if they fit. Hold on a second. Okay. You just weld it on, and then the tailpipe goes on the other side and you weld it on. So that's it. Looks like it fits pretty good. And you just weld it across, and the tailpipe goes right there. And that's it. Some more stuff coming in. Still waiting by the door. We'll see what happens.